Hi guys, this is Phil K from the Shopify Strategy Group, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Shopify button that I've been talking and I've been using to create this great conversions. So here we go. I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, here we go. So first of all, you will need to go in your store dashboard, and I'm going to show you where you need to go to activate the special Shopify button. So you'll need to start with the settings, then go into sales channel. And from here, you're going to have some options where you can enable, let's say, a point of sales. You can enable Pinterest from here. And you can have your buy button directly here. So you will need to add this as a channel. Here we go. And now you're gonna enable directly the buy button right here. Then you're going to need to select a product that you want to sell from. So I'm going to set up a product, and I'm going to show you how to enable that. So on my demo store, I've set a product that we're going to use to sell with the Shopify buy button. So I'm going to click here on the select product, but just so you can see on your dashboard on the left tab, you're going to see a buy button that will be there permanently. So anytime that you want to go and create a new button, you will be able to go right here, and it's going to bring you to this page. So now let's select a product to sell. I've created a yoga necklace that we're going to use later also in another example to show you how we can get crazy good conversions with this type of strategy here and with the buy button included. So I'm going to click here on the necklace, select the product, and now we are going to have this the product shown, and we can do some modification if we want, but I'm gonna leave that right as it is. So but if you want, you can do like where the button links to. So it can link to the checkout, to the cart, or the product page. And this is very interesting because you can use that in different kind of strategies. So if you want to sell only this product, you can bring them directly to the page. But if you want to let them add other stuff, you can bring them to the cart or to the product page to have more information on the product itself. But for right now, like I said, we're gonna leave that to the checkout. So soon as someone's gonna hit the buy button here, it's gonna bring them to the checkout page. And here we cannot see exactly, but I'm gonna show you in another example where this pop-up will bring you directly to the sales page directly. So now before that, to be able to install this button checkout on the landing page, you're gonna need to generate the embed code. So if we click here, you're gonna have a code that you can copy and paste into your page, your landing page. You need to be careful because there's two kind of script right here. There's the actual product which is embed, that can be embed directly, and there's a script also inside. So the best thing is to click here. So this script can be added to the add element, add part of the page. And most of the sites to build landing page like ClickFunnel or Unbounce, you're gonna need to put that into a separate place and not on the same page, because it can create some kind of conflicts. And sometimes some of the landing page provider will overwrite this kind of script if it's directly on the page. So it's very important that you separate this too. So you're gonna use that, and you're gonna copy and paste that into the add part of the landing page, and this can be embedded anywhere in the page. So I'm going to show you how now to install that in a landing page. Now I've opened my Unbounce account, and I'm going to show you how to bring your button into your landing page. So we are going to create a brand new page where we're gonna create a page which is already, let's say, already made for that. So we can use the template called Producto. So we're gonna name it as a test, Shopify Button. And I'm gonna show you directly how it's gonna look like. So first of all, here what you can do is you can remove this, let's say, because we're not going to use this button directly. So we're gonna use the other one. So we are going to delete that, and here we're gonna replace this image by a code. So you can go into your button at the left and use custom HTML. And here in this window, it's where we're going to add this part. So the div part here. I'm going to copy and paste that inside. So right now you're not going to see it because it needs to be rendered. So we're just going to be sure that it's enough large. So we're going to be able to see that. And now there's another line of code that we need to install. So for that, which is the script that needs to be in the head. So we're going to create a JavaScript here called, let's say, Shopify Button. We want to be sure that we are going to select the head part. We're going to go back here, copy, paste that here inside. And we are going to be click done. And now it's ready. So we just need to save that to be sure we're going to be able to preview it. And now we're going to click preview. So sadly, right now, it's not rendering. And the reason why is that Unbounce has a problem right now with this script. Like I've said, I've been struggling for the past 2 days with this problem because they are having an issue with this script. It was working for a few days, but now it stopped to work. So the best way to show you how it is working is to go into ClickFunnel for that. So I will need to show you into ClickFunnel how to do exactly the same thing. But once it's going to be fixed, you're going to be able to see how it is working from Unbounce. So I will let you know for sure soon as it's fixed. And the reason that I like very much Unbounce is you can do multiple A/B testing. So just to show you before we're going to go into ClickFunnel, I'm going to go in here. So if you want to create multiple variants, so you can go here and duplicate this variant. And something that is cool is you can do as much as you want, and you can modify the weight. So let's say you want to do like 33% here. So, and you can duplicate that again. And you can choose 33%. So if you want to do multivariant A/B testing, something that is cool is if you want to do some tests, let's say I want to change the buy button, the Shopify buy button to somewhere else, you just need to do that and move it here, move your stuff here, move, let's say, all the stars there here. Oops. Here you go. Here. So this is quite cool because you can create different kind of stuff. If you want to change the logo, the size, all this kind of stuff, you're gonna be able like to do it very fast into Unbounce, something that right now ClickFunnels doesn't offer. So it's gonna give you more flexibility to test stuff and to get as much as you can, the best, let's say, conversion rate that you could get. Another thing that is cool from that is if you insert, let's say, a form, you want the people to enter their email first, you can do that right away here. And another thing that is cool for that is if they enter their email, it's going to be count in Unbounce as another conversion goal for your lead generation. So you're going to get, let's say, a conversion for your lead and a conversion, let's say, for the buy button here. So this are things that you can play with. And I could go further with the kind of strategy to show you how you can get more of both the best way. But right now, I just wanted to show you how to install this Shopify button into Unbounce. So now let's switch to ClickFunnels. Here we are in my ClickFunnels account. I've already created a yoga free necklace template, so you can see, and we can move even faster from here. So at least you will see how it is looking in the process. So what we're going to do is we're going to look into it, so you are going to see how it is working well. So we have an opt-in here. And we have a thank you page. So the opt-in, so you can see, we're going to check directly the link. And this is how it is working. So first of all, what I've done is I've created an opt-in form where you can get a yoga necklace for free. I'm not going to go further in the detail on how I'm getting that for free and how I'm going to give it. But here you can see how it is working. So I have a form here where you enter your email, and soon as you enter your email, you're going to go into the thank you page. So here we are in the thank you page. So what we are doing here is you can see the buy button directly here inside. And this is what I wanted to show you earlier. As soon as you get the buy button here, you click buy now. And what are you getting is a pop-up directly to your checkout. So the customer can insert their information directly and complete their order right from here. So this is it. So this is how it is working. So now, I'm going to go back into the ClickFunnels just to show you where to install that. So on my strategy here, what I was doing is, since I wanted to get their email first, I wanted to bring back into the thank you page the buy button right there. So we're going to go in the editor, and here you don't see anything because I need to add the custom HTML inside. So we're going to go in the element and we're going to click here into the custom HTML. So in the custom HTML, I've added the script that we were talking before. The div script that is available here. Now for this script in the add element, you're going to need to install that into the settings, and inside, if I remember well, the tracking code. Here we go, into the header here. So the script will go into the tracking. So once everything is installed and saved, you're going to get this thing inside. And it's where people, once they will buy it, will get the pop-up to complete their order directly from there. So they don't need to go anywhere else or be sent back to your site or all this kind of stuff. So hopefully you liked what I've shown you, and let me know if you have any questions I will be able here to answer. I'm working in another strategy right now, which is even more straightforward and will bring people directly even faster to their checkout page. You can imagine how this is fast, but I found a shortcut right now where it can be faster. So hope you enjoyed that, and we'll talk soon. Thank you very much, guys. Ciao.